guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've probably chosen the worst place to film because I have like light straight on my face right now, but also it's the end of the day, and if I don't film right here, there's gonna be no light anywhere else in my house. That's why I keep checking the little side camera. I realized that I haven't featured my dog Benji in these videos in a very long time. Say hi! Also, the light is also in his eyes. It's like, it's okay, doggo. I got you. You're good. Yeah, I want to put him down now. So, dog reunions and crazy bright lighting aside, I have a very cool video for you guys today. It's been in the making for a year now, and that's how long it's taken me to like kind of move into this house and then transform this bedroom into a bedroom that I was proud to show on the internet. Obviously I love this bedroom for many other reasons than just showing it off on the internet. I honestly love my channel. I love making these videos. So I've been waiting for the perfect moment to post this video, and I feel like the time has come. I'm not completely done with it yet. I have a section of the room that I still haven't finished, and I will tell you guys about it later and show you guys, but the majority of it, like I'd say like 90% of the room is done. I know it's like a very black and white bedroom. Honestly, this is like what brings me peace and helps me like relax and unwind at the end of the day. I have like a little list to break down for you guys of all the changes I did, because basically I did this room in like 3 phases and I wrote them down. So the first phase of putting this room together was actually assembling the furniture, and the bed that we have now, I will put it right here. We already had this bed from when we lived with my parents' house, so we brought that here. And then I got 2 black bedside tables from Facebook Marketplace. They're also IKEA. They're these ones. I snatched them for like 15 euros each or total, I can't remember. And the latest addition to this house was this Malm dresser. I cannot tell you guys how perfectly it fit. But let me just show you guys B-roll of the process of putting those things together in the room, and then I will come back and explain part 2.
The same as the other ones. Is it a mistake?
So part 2 was putting up black and white frames with some pictures of our engagement, which I'm going to be releasing a video about very soon. Just like our engagement story and proposal and stuff. And I also put together the vanity. I filmed an entire video about that vanity and like how I organize it, where it's from, everything. So if you guys want to watch that, I'm going to leave the card right here and you can watch that later. Very minimal, very sleek, very elegant. I really like it. We added a poof, which is where we keep all of our workout material, and this was also such a steal. It was such a find on Facebook Marketplace. I got it for 15 euros. It's like a 200 euro poof. So let me show you guys how part 2 of this operation looked like. Let me just remind you again that this was like a year-long project. So if you're planning on like changing your room, don't put a bunch of pressure into yourself like financially and time-wise to make it all happen, because it definitely took a very long time. But yeah, here's part 2. 3, the last part of this operation was painting the bedroom. I knew something was missing, but I couldn't put my finger on what it was. And then I realized that the room was a little bit too white. And so I decided to paint part of the room black. Originally, I was going to paint this entire wall black, but then my fiance actually had the idea of like, why didn't I just paint the accents? So like this wall here right behind me, and then the like wall directly across from it, and the wall behind the bed. And the nice thing is that our bed doesn't have a headboard, and so by painting it black and the side parts, it kind of made it look like one big headboard. Like it just cozied up the space a lot. I don't know how to explain it, but I'll show you guys, and then I'll show you like an overview of the entire room in the end. So yeah, let's see part 3.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you.
Alright, so I definitely didn't paint this perfectly. As you saw by the way I was like ripping out tape, I got very impatient. Can't really see my mistakes unless you like microscopically look at it, which I hope no one does. I see it sometimes when I'm laying in bed, I'm like, I really could have put a little bit more effort, but I was just trying to get it done. So it is what it is, you know, you can't have it all. I'm going to show you guys now like the overview of how the whole room looks. If you've been subscribed to me for a while, you'll know that I took a huge break off of YouTube, and the reason I did this was because it was getting really overwhelming for me. I was always trying to get all of the videos perfect. I wanted thumbnails to be perfect. I wanted like things to be really, really clean before I filmed anything. And so this year my biggest resolution is to just film and put stuff out there, create stuff that can help other people, inspire other people. So I have not like deep cleaned this room before filming it. So you will see dust. There are messes some places, and so I'm so sorry. People live here, okay? So like it's never perfect. We always make our bed, so the room always looks like organized, but it's not always like completely dust free. We have dogs. Let me show you guys the final result of the room. I really, really love it, and I hope you guys do too. And if you do, please let me know in the comments, because I just love to know what you guys think. It's been like a long time coming, and I'm really excited to see what you guys think. And now I'll actually show you guys what the room looks like. Okay, so when you walk into the room, we've got Benji. Go on the bed, Benji. Go look all aesthetically pleasing. Go. Go, go, go. Here's what the room looks like with Benji on the bed. So I will show you guys around. You've seen this whole area, the poof and everything. This is how the bed looks. I'm gonna go to the side here, just so that, look at him. He's like, Mom, what are you doing? Hey, baby. He's not having it. He's so done with me. These are the side walls in black, as I was telling you guys about. So I painted this one in the end, this one behind the bed, and this one here on this side. And I think the overall result was really cool. It kind of gave the room a lot of depth and, whoops, a little dark. And I don't know, I think that it was like the finishing touch in my opinion, so yeah. And then here we have that lamp that I was telling you guys about. Here is the mirror. Here's the vanity, but this you guys have already seen, so it's nothing new. So this is the side table that I was talking about, the black one. I have these really cute lamps. I got them on sale. My little elephant, chargers. Then on my fiance's side, we got the same lamp. We got a little vase, and this is like his charger. It's really cool. It charges like, you can put your phone standing up, but then in the back, it also charges like AirPods and an Apple Watch. I gave it to him for Christmas and he really likes it. I have these pillows, these accent pillows. They're like really soft, and I really like them because you can wash these cases, which is like super important if you have dogs. If you know, you know. And I have these kind of extra pillows in the back that have this really cute like embroidery, I guess is what you call it. This is one of my favorite bed sheets that I have. It has like this pattern and I think it looks really cool. It's obviously a little wrinkly, but it is what it is. This is from our engagement photo shoot. This is a picture we took at the Vessel in New York City during our trip last year. And that picture, you can't really see it that well, but
It's a picture of me at the edge in New York City. I'm like right there. You see that? Yeah. And so here is that mirror I talked about. This is the mount. This is the area of the room that is not entirely finished. And the reason I say this is because I've actually decided that I want to paint this entire wall black, like this end wall. I don't think it'll take away from the light of the room because it's like the deep there wall, if that makes sense. Like it's the one on the door, so you can't really see it when you walk in. But at night, I like the idea of having this room, or like this part of the room be a little bit darker. And also because I'm gonna put the TV up on the wall, and I'm thinking if the wall is black, the TV will kind of blend in and won't look so off, if that makes sense. And then I still haven't decorated that shelf there. I haven't styled it, and I'm waiting to paint everything black to style this. But yeah, that's the little tour.
Thank you guys so much for sticking around till the end. I appreciate all of you who've been supporting me for a really long time, and it's been super exciting to come back. So many of you received me with like such open arms, even though I just ditched YouTube for like a year. So thank you so much for being here. And again, if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a big like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I am now posting videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so you can now count on like consistent stuff from me to keep you guys entertained and to inspire you guys into like organizing, cleaning, all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!